Controversial crossdresser Idris Okoye, popularly known as Bobrisky, sparks reactions with his remark about a personal womanhood challenging experience. This shocking revelation has set the social media space agog. Recall that NaijaNews reports Bobrisky being embroiled in controversy since social media influencer Martins Otse, famously known as VDM, Very Dark Man, police of the online division, leaked an audio recording in which the crossdresser purportedly alleged that he bribed EFCC with 15 million naira to drop money laundering charges against him. However, the crossdresser denied the authenticity of the recording and threatened legal action against Otse. In a recent Instagram post, Bobrisky opened up about a personal challenge of womanhood, citing experiences with monthly menstrual flow. His post reads, "Honestly, I feel I'm a complete woman. Sometimes, I break up when I see my period cause it's painful." Social media users commented under Bobrisky's post. Antonio Money remarked, "Men literally took the theme of the year, no grief for anybody. The mother of Lagos is a man. Best dressed female is a man. The princess of Africa is a man. Tinubu allegedly appointed a man as the Minister of Women Affairs." Rita queried, "Menstruation is shedding of linen of the womb, so I'm confused. Do men also have womb?" Another social media user, Mohammed Bair, noted, "I dey wait to hear pregnancy next month. That period, you no go see." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news update and exclusive videos.